How to find the nearest Shake Shack location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you craving some Shake Shack? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to find nearest Shake Shack location online in just a few clicks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here, on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with a credential and once logged in, on the home page, just look at the top menu and then just click on the location. And there on the location page, you can simply type in your city, state or zip code in the search bar and then just hit enter. And the site will show you a list of nearby restaurants and there you can just click on location to see full details like address, opening hours, direction, and you can even click a map link to get directions straight from the Google Maps. And once you find your nearest Shake Shack, you can also click order to place an order for pickup or delivery directly from that location. And that's it. Finding the nearest Shake Shack is super easy. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.